In this video, I'm going to give you an answer for a question, and the question is: a new traffic signal was installed in China to control what? A new traffic signal was installed in China to control what? Now I'll give you a list of the options. The very first option is robot traffic. The second option is train traffic. The third option is camel traffic. So from these three options, which one is the correct answer for the question? Now we'll give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is camel traffic. So that's the answer for the question. The third option, camel traffic. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you need to help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel and click this like button. And this video is very good for lawyer, businessmen, dentists, doctors, students, people who need to pay insurance, artists, PhD student, people working on getting loan, basically anyone. I mean, it doesn't matter who you are. This video would be very useful for you. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.